I never knew, say, this little piece of rock here was so beautiful until when I took the plane and go up in the air. Girl, let me tell you.
I am Chanel Matthews and this is Unfiltered. Jamaica is known worldwide for its food, music and vibrant spirit. Today we ask, what part of Jamaica's culture are you most proud of?
Jamaica culture, you don't know music. Music are the best in Jamaica, and Jamaica now is the best country, as far as me understand, the best country. Because even when the festival and Barry Salmon talk, it say, look here, him travel the whole world, the whole complete world, and Jamaica are the best. And if Barry Salmon say that, me say that too.
This is where me born and grow, so I feel love everything about it. Can't go say about an next man country where me don't know about. So this is my country, so I have to appreciate it.
Reggae is the way of the Almighty, and gospel, so I'm proud of reggae. Yeah, reggae is the true message that brings the true message in our life. You understand? Because the Bible said that wisdom cry and she uttered her voice. She cry in the city, of course, about fool despise wisdom and understanding. So reggae are the bestest thing I like, that's it.
I love Jamaica. We are unique. We are one of a kind. The whole world right now, Jamaica sell off. Everything about Jamaica. Hairstyle, patois is now being taught in certain countries in Africa, right? Everybody wants to be a part of Jamaica. Did you know that people thought that Jamaica was a part of Africa? A lot of Africans thought that Jamaica was a country in Africa. That's how much Jamaica, we're little, but we're really tall. Knowing that this little rock, right, is represented in every continent in the world. We are diverse and we are special.
Well, I just love the fact that we just being our authentic self. We are just our authentic self. It is what it is. We talk, we mind. That is just it. We love the vibes, the party, everything. That's just us. True Jamaican, real Jamaican.
Jamaica is an island in the sun. We plant sugar cane and we make white rum. But some of them are fuss and fight. We want love in a Jamaica.